Excuse me. Excuse me. Hazel. Okay, so I need to get the clean washing in there, minus wombat. Hazel. Anytime. I'm sorry.
Eso es todo. Vamos a la tierra. Y ya tenemos. Eso es todo. Vámonos. A cruzarla. Para allá. Sí, que quede ya con su posición. Mira, para más. Eso es todo.
A newly born howler monkey, unfortunately, has fallen. And I think I see the mother coming over to get her. And I'm gonna just video this baby. It's so adorable. It's very small. What a cute little monkey.
That's not a hammerhead. I think that's a white shark. That's a white shark, dude.
That is a huge freaking shark, bro.
Holy Holy it's a white shark for sure. There's a giant white shark. There's my
This is something I never saw in my whole life.
Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this thing.
Don't bite me.
Away. Để chia sẻ với nó bao nhiêu ký lóc cho các bạn nào ai.
Don't come this way.
Buddy man. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Oh, you farted. That's okay. You're such a pretty boy.
How you doing? You want to come up here? Come here. Come here. Go.
Wait.
There's he out!
Their tails get. You gonna go for it? I wanna see. Oh, it's just a mountain goat. Hi, dude. You need to turn around because this trail is too small for all of us. What are you gonna do? All right, up. We go up. We're moving up into the bushes.
ಆಯ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಹೋಯ್ತು я покормлю.
I'm putting this video on YouTube to show people how timid these animals really are. And see, that was a bluff charge. And they always stop. And when a bear does that, he's just saying, "You're too close to me, go away." As you can see, he's eating eggs.
Says, want the egg? There you go. There you go. Hey, buddy. What are you doing?
He's sitting at the back door, Michelle, trying to get out. Yeah, there's two of them, Michelle. In the house? No, one. Oh, they're inside. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, but the door shut? He just saw me, Michelle. He just saw me. He looked right at me.
Whoa! Snake! Ah! Oh! Look at that!
He's right around your bike.
I know. I think we might have to wait a little bit.
I think you might.
Example lang. Ay, namulakaw na ron.
Don't get in the water, you guys.
She's completely asleep like that, isn't she? Good heavens. Well, at least she's not eating. Just sleeping.
Oh, here he goes.
He's coming backwards, Mike. Are you kidding? Oh.
Should take him in. He's probably like dehydrated, right? Aww. Little baby. Little baby. So cute. Look at his legs hanging out.
He's long.
Ah, you just peed all over me. Oh. So much for the picture. Whoa, hey. What the? Hey now. What the heck? Well, he doesn't like me much. What is your deal?
She's pecking my head! Ah! Seriously, she's pecking my head! Get off me!
Daddy!
Ow! Get off me! You can't! The gate's locked! You can't get in! Help! Okay, am I going down the hill or are you going up the hill? I think I'm gonna go. I'll let you go back. How's that? I'd like to go that way, but I don't want to mess with you. Comes a little guy. Okay. I'm not meaning you guys any harm, okay?
So we've got a cougar about 20 yards from the truck. This is insane. I cannot believe this. He wants me. Holy shit. And he's not scared. And I got shit in my pants. So.
Det var finare bra.
Hola, guapo. ¿Vas a correr conmigo? Ay, qué grande. Me dio miedo. No me hagas nada. Ay, me abraces. No, 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 no me abraces. Oh, no. Necesito abrazar. Ay, me quiere morder. Ya no me muerde. Adiós. Muchacho, ¿cuántos años debe tener este?
Okay, don't touch him. I know. There is a deer that came out of the sand dunes. It's just in, you know, enjoying himself here. See all the people just observing. Look at this little girl! Look at this little girl! Look at her!
You guys. Los jaguares son tremendos.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Alright, come on.
Don't let him get there. Walk away. Just for golf today. They've all decided to settle in the middle of the fairway.
What's going on?
You don't wanna...
Did you get that on camera?
Yeah, I think so.
Buffy! Quanto dare?
Oh, big boy. Are you sneezing?
She gonna cross. Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Go about territory.
Oh, for God's sake, no.
You make it traction.
Are you serious?
Oh, he's crying.